name's Paige and I work at Gardens of Babylon, and today I'm going to show you how to repot your houseplant. So a few things that you'll need are your plant, of course, a pot, and some rocks and potting soil. So telltale signs that your plant needs to be repotted is if it's clearly growing too big for its pot and it becomes top heavy. Also, if the roots start to come out of the bottom of the pot, that means it's definitely time for a repotting, or if it dries out faster than normal. Using a container, you'll want to make sure that it is around 2 inches in diameter, larger than the nursery pot. So you'll want to prepare it for potting by putting rocks or pebbles for drainage. This creates a space between the roots and the soil. And you'll want to do about an inch layer at the bottom. Then you'll take some potting soil and just put a little bit at the bottom before you add your new plant. First, you'll remove the nursery pot and gently tease some of the roots out so that the plant can grow more easily into its new home. This isn't going to hurt the plant at all. Then you'll place it about level with the top of the container and fill in with fresh soil. The new potting soil has plenty of nutrients to help feed your plant, and the pot has extra space for the roots to grow as well. Gently press down. There's no need to pack the soil down very tightly because it will settle over time as you water. Then you can add a top layer of peat pebbles if you want. This will just help keep moisture in, and it just looks nice. There you go. So after you've adjusted your plant to be the way you'd like it to, you'll water it in. That way the soil settles and it gives the plant a drink as it settles into its new home. Ta-da!